You see the water level here is well and truly up. Those planks are the same height. They're our old floor planks. Our system of plastic behind the planks seems to be working really well. See if you can see this through the security mesh. The girls are good. We slept reasonably well last night, but there's a bit of concern that perhaps the big dam might give way, so we slept in the girls' bedroom just in case. You can see from inside the house downstairs. Let's have a look. So this is where I showed you the plank, just here, where it would have been, and so you can see that despite the fact there is water in here, there's a hell of a lot less water than there would be. I might go have breakfast.